guys and girls, welcome back to Wi-Fi Raspberry. I'm your host Shadak Naim, and today's video we're going to talk about trading, the forex market and the crypto market. And today's main topic, we're going to talk about my strategy. Okay, before we talk in depth about the crypto and forex market, I just want to tell you something very important. Please, if you don't have the knowledge, I'm looking at you all. Okay, if you don't have the knowledge about trading the markets, do not trade the markets, okay? Because you will lose your money. 100% you will lose your money, okay? There's a statistics or there's a chart going on saying that 97%, 99% of traders, retail traders, will lose money because they don't have the experience. And one more thing is they don't have the knowledge. And you would think that, okay, some traders, they come in the market, they will make like a lot of profit. I'm speaking about 10,000, 5,000, even 20,000 per trade. But you need to understand that 20,000 is equals to 10 years of experience together with backtesting, together with journal. So with that in our mind, let's begin with my setup and my journal and my book and everything. All right, I'm going to share with you everything, how I'm going to start a funded account, what is the game plan, what's going on. So let's not wait. Let's jump to the video. There's a lot of things that we can talk about. For example, what strategy are you going to use? Another example is what type of broker are you going to use? Another example is what session you're going to trade on. But the main important thing is before you start everything, okay, in this video, we're not going to talk about, I recommend you to use X broker or go link below and find my broker. No, you do the research, okay? If you found BD Swiss to be a best broker for Forex trading, you go ahead. If you found like a funded account like a FTMO or example like Funded Next or My Forex Fund, if you find any of these brokerage based on your research and your understanding, if you want that, go ahead, right? Because remember, there's a lot of fake brokerage or overseas brokerage there, which you deposit your money, but it's very hard to withdraw your money. So I want you all to do the wise things, do research on it, and find out which brokerage suits your needs. Next thing, we're going to talk about leverage. Another thing, we're going to talk about a trading platform. Are you going to use MT5, MT4? Are you going to use the web trading provided by them? And on and on. I mean, there's a lot of things you need to do because trading is not an easy thing done, right? For example, some skills are very easy to develop, like communication skills, skills of building friendships, simple skills like that. But trading is a really hard skill, and I've been trading since 2021, if I'm not wrong. Around that time, I was profitable. All right, I took the money, I spent some, and I opened up my agency. And others I just funded towards crypto. And because of I was committed for 2 years, and I realized that trading wasn't a suitable thing for me. So what I did, I stopped. I withdraw all my money, and it was my personal. It's not a funded account; it's my money, right? I open up, and I realized, okay, next thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a brokerage, which is a funded one, and do the funded trading challenge, right? So this is going to be fun, right? Because the contents are going to be fun. I'm going to talk about what's going on in my mind. Why did I take short position? What's going on in the long position? And what was the overall scope, all right? And I'm not going to talk so much about the necessary stuff. Like, for example, some traders keep on talking about trade the New York session, trade the London session, or if you want to be safe, trade the Tokyo session, trade this, trade that. No. Okay, there's steps that need to be done. All right, there's spreads, there's pips. You need to understand how the brokerage earn money. All right, because you need to be reasonable with yourself. It's because if a brokerage can hire the best trader in the world, they should hire them. Why they hire you? So there's a lot of things going on in the mind. And before you choose any type of funded account or any type of platform, please do your own research. Okay. For me, I haven't choose a funded account yet. I'm doing my research first, but I want you to do your own research before you do anything because it's your money. You'll be held responsible for it. Anything goes wrong. So right now on my hand, there's these two books. Okay, one is the blue column, another one is this exercise book. So This blue color book is my strategy black. All right. So what does it include in this blue book? All right. I can go and show it to you all a page here, and you'll understand what is the what's in the book. Okay. So for example, okay. So this one of the page we talk about lot size. All right. 0.01 is how many percent or how many lot size equals to like a 6K account. So I did a calculation here. How many, how long must be the trade? Is it 1 hour? Is it 30 minutes? If it's too long, something is wrong. It's too short, something is wrong. So what is the optimal time to be in the market? Okay. What type of trader are you? Are you a scalper or are you a swing trader? Are you going to hold that position for months, weeks? So a day? It really depends how you're going to play the game. Okay. And I mean, I did a lot of research in this book. Like, for example, I mean, I'm not so big fan of charting. Like, like say you download this cheat sheet, then you can see the chart. But during my time when I was learning about trading, I was learning about channels, all right, like higher high and higher low, and that's are the things that I mentioned over here. In case you take a look over here, so take a look over here. Hope the camera can see. So these are the things that I mentioned in the book. And before I start trading, I'll look through the book. Okay, I will see. All right. So before I enter a position, what I must see. So, example, when you see high, that means the market is making an uptrend. So where should I enter? Okay. So I should be entering at high and low. When the stop loss is a swing low, and the take profit is a high or 2x or 3x. So these are the things that I wrote in this book. And before this, I had another 2 more books. All right. That book was really the base foundation of my trading. And this book has a lot of knowledge. If I lose this book, right, then it's gonna be a hit for me because I always write things down, good or bad. All right, it's my playbook. All right, so good or bad, whatever things I see, I will write it down and I will to really look back and I'll screen capture my trades and I'll see, okay, this went well. Right, what happened? My setup, yes or no? So along the line, and I would always tell myself that it's better to keep track of my performance because yes, money is one thing in trading. Money is one thing. But if you're not a profitable trader, you won't have the money. Another thing is, yes, it's all fun and game, right? It's all fun and game. You took extra money, but are you able to withdraw? Is that get you there? So are you able to withdraw your money? And why does every funded or not funded, how to say, why is every trader out there saying that go to link below and find my brokerage because they do affiliate marketing. All right. There's no link below, right? Only my social media links, my company, my agency. That's all. Like what I say, my agency is AuraAdVisor. Link below helps financial advisors to gain more customers by running TikTok and Facebook ads. That is my own agency. The birth of the company was based on the trading knowledge I had. All right. So, I mean, trading is a really fun thing. Fun thing in the sense that you can earn money, right? You can earn money, but it is really a long journey. So I don't want you to say that it is difficult to trade. You can, but I took around like give or take 2 years, all right, to really build my foundation. So this is my book one, which is all my gameplay. If the market is uptrending, where should I go? If the market is downtrending, what should I look at? If the market is just doing support and resistance, what should I do? If the market is reversing, what should I do? Everything is in this book, all right? Everything is. So this is book one, all right? And this is book two, all right? So what's on this book? This is all my journals, all right? And this book, all right? So before we talk more about this book, so let's go in depth. What's the purpose of this? So this book, I name it as a price action school. So this book was created by me, all right? And what's in this book is all the notes that I took throughout the years. When I started my trading from 2020, I started a bit early on. I think 2020, 21, 22. Then 22 I stopped. 23 I trade a bit. this whole month I was just trading at all. I just trade only for this whole month of January. And I took all these notes. All right, just take a look. All right, some is paste on the book itself. Like for example, I print out trading views chart because I want to see what is this gameplay is like. Right, let's take a look. Okay, so I mean, this some ideal setup that I want a big trade on. That I was really really happy about it, and I said, okay, this is what I love to do. I want to do. I see the money in it. I print it out. I paste it down. I write all my notes here. So in the future, if I get confused, because our human mind, sometimes we confuse, sometimes biasness, psychology will kick in. And I look through at this, I was like, hey, look, this is the same thing I see, a few years back because the pattern repeats again. And I'll be like, okay, let's take a short position, let's take a long position. And I mean, there's a lot of trading view charts here. The other page over here. I mean, it's a bit windy right now because like I'm showing was all these indicators and all of these. A bit windy right now. Sorry, guys. Take a look here. All right. And it's fun, right? It's fun. You lose money, you learn something. You gain money, you learn things. Careful. So this is one of our past history of trading. Okay? And this is my first. It is the first trading rules I have over here. Went through with me a lot of sessions, alright? One, I'll give you all, because we came this far, I'll give you all my top uh, top three rules, alright? I write down over here. One is trading only the London session because London's where the high volumes come in. Right? Some people will say New York, but for me, I prefer London. Do not use your phone while trading. Do not trade using your phone because that's my rule, right? Because I'll get easily distracted. Use Fibonacci if you need to. Use supply and demand if you need to. There is another condition I set over here, which I've not stated because I don't want to give up the condition so that I don't want you all to, based on the one condition of trading the rule, I don't want to use that. I don't want you all to use that and, lose all your money. All right. It's because trading really takes a lot of time and effort. And it's not an easy thing to be a day trader. All right, guys and girls. Next thing. The next page is empty, where our funded account going to come in. So, this is the two books that are going to guide us to our funded account. So, I want to say these are the two books. So right now, let's go to our screen and let's see some of the back tests that I took while I was using demo money. Remember, guys and girls, if you can't flip a demo account, you can't flip a real account. Simple as that. Just take it on, all right? Take a pen, a paper, and write it down. If you can't flip a demo money, you can't flip the real money. As simple as that. All right. So now I'm going to show to you all of the demo money I took. All right. I mean, you don't need to have a brokerage account to do a demo because you can go to MT5. All right. If you go to MT5, you can literally open up a fake account and you can put some money in. All right. So this is one of the, how should I say, one of the chart. Okay. I'm using three indicators, the moving averages and a Fibonacci. All right. If you can see, there's a volume profile in the, how should I say, in the chart itself. And this is the 30 minutes chart. And as you can see, the take profit, this is a menu close, but the stop loss is set already. And the take profit was all the way at the bottom below, all right? And the lines you can see is all the 4 hours line. So I go to the 4 hours, I draw the line, I see the price action, what the market is doing. And all the indicator is like a confirmation other than just using a bad chart, all right? And the market went down, beautiful, took a TP for it. Okay, this is my first practice trade. Another trade that I'm going to look at is the trading view, right? So in the trading view, same thing, okay? Supply and demand, and as you can see, what I'm showing right now is the Fibonacci. All right, my Fibonacci is totally different. All right, my Fibonacci I use as my price point, my stop loss, and my entry, and I'm using the what indicator is this? The session indicator to see the market recent swing high, recent swing low, and the previous market activity to judge the futures condition, what's going to happen. And based on that, you can see we hit a beautiful, beautiful TP, right? So this is one of the trades that I took. I'm really proud of it. And there's some trade that we didn't went right, but it's okay, all right? So next one, you can see I was on a sell position, all right? So this sell position, as you can see, this is using MetaTrader 5. As you can see right now, this trade was the, let me just take a look over here. This is the Aussie and US dollar. I'm on the sell position. Okay, this TP was smashed, so I'm really happy about it. I was using Fibonacci together with the moving average and to see my price point, right? And as you can see, the price point was, I was on a sell position, 10. My lot size was 10. And what happened was the price was consolidating at the golden ratio. And then I put the stop loss to break even and took some profit down the line. And this TP hit, I was very happy about that. So this is one of the successful trade I took. And now I was hearing to the podcast at the background. As you can see, this is the funded account. Sorry, the demo account that I took. All right. And this is a really clean setup that I was really happy about. I think this is the same chart as just now mentioned, but as you can see, TP is about to hit. I'm up 1.6k. This fake money, what I say is demo money. One more thing, if you can't flip fake, you can't flip the real. Right? As simple as that. So this is the same chart we take a look at. Like what I say, if you can't flip the fake money, right? Please do not use real money. You will lose your money, 100% guaranteed. All right. And you can see there's a lot of things. When I look at this chart, a lot of things. Trend lines are broken. The market is doing a reversal during the London session. It's going to hit a TP. I was so happy. I was like, okay, I need to get in. And I did. All right. I waited for a few minutes because the condition asked me to wait a few minutes before we enter the market. And I waited for a few minutes and it was around like 10-20 minutes. Saw a beautiful downtrend, took a sell position and up 1.66k around that. Okay, the money is not the problem. All right, the money is don't care about the money. The important thing is you're caring about the strategy. Okay, this is another trade. Euro or British pound. The lines you can see, this is just using pure price action. The lines you can see is all the 4 hours, right? 4 hours chart. All right, I went to 4 hours, I draw my lines, and I went back to 50 minutes for my entry, and I wait for the price to do its thing. And I'm happy with that. Okay, can't complain much. So this is one of the price action. And these two, all right, I'm on a sell position. The market went down. Love it, love it, love it. This is 1 hour chart. All right, went to 1 hour to just see the market movement. All right. I mean, if you can take a look, all these small candles, there's a reason why the candles going sideways or calling range. There's a reason why the market does start ranging. It's because money is being accumulated in the market. All right. Once the range is broken up or down, you can see market either going up or market going down. So just spot up for it. All right. Next thing, I mean, this is a beautiful trade I took, and you can see the market was doing market's going uptrend. A basic breakout retest. All right, breakout retest, upset. All right, and that's all. So that's all I want to tell you about this. Um, about this predicting trades I took for the past how many days? It's been 36 days. Starting of the year, I promised myself that before I use real money, I want to use demo one. Okay, because I have the experience, but I don't want to show and lose all my money. Sometimes the emotion is the important part. All right, you can have the best strategy in the world. All right, you can have the 99.9999% winning rate, but if that one trade, remember, it's just one trade away to make it or break it. So if you want to make it, all right, remember about risk management and on and on. I mean, there's a lot of things we can talk about. I can do a whole class about it. I can share about my insights on these books. I can literally print it up, make a PDF copy and send to your, or in the future, let me see how it's going to be like. But trading is not a long form income for me. Yes, trading, you can earn a lot of money in a short time. Yes, you can be done. The goal for Wi-Fi Riseable and this whole channel is to take the money from trading, and the money we take, we will buy other assets. Like for example, we can buy Bitcoin, we can buy Ethereum, we can buy ADA, we can buy XRP, you can buy whatever you want. All right. And I mean, if it's your money, you can do whatever you want. All right. Who am I to say? And if you lose money, it's your fault. You'll be responsible for it. If you be profitable, it's your fault, and you earn it. All right. You earn that money. You can do whatever you want. But for me, for the channel, we're going to reinvest back. You need to get a better camera, a better microphone, a better stand, a better setup. All right. A better background. All right. There's a lot of things that I want to do, and will be happening in the future. All right, guys and girls. So guys and girls, we have come to the end of today's video. I know this video is really, really long. So if you come this far, what I want you to do is like, share, and subscribe as usual. The basic 3. And go to the comment section below. Comment, all right, about whatever question you want to ask about trading, and I will answer, based on my best knowledge and based on my experience. All right. And I mean, there is no Telegram group, there is no Discord group, there is no how should I say? There is nothing like that yet. All right. We build a community on the comment section first. All right. Let's build this community on the comment. Let's go to the comment section. Let's type it. All right. And always remember to reinvest yourself. Always know that there's these things out there, and don't forget, if it's not you, then who? If it's not now, then when? Alright, as simple as that. Take action, and always remember that Wi-Fi Riseable is here and here to stay. And for all my 5K subscribers, thank you so much. And I'll see you on my next video. And always remember to turn on, tune in, and cash out. And I'm your host, Shadak Naim. Train safe, be smart. Alright, about money and your assets. And learn the difference between assets and liability. And I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.